Now this right here is one of my students, and you can see on the screen that he has actually generated for himself over $4,000 that he received in his bank account just this morning. And looking right here on the screen, you can basically see he's happy that he's already a millionaire. And this guy basically is someone like you who actually has started up with whatever I'm actually going to be teaching you right now, and has followed up with everything I've actually shared and is getting super results. And this basically means that whatever I'm going to be teaching you guys in this particular video today is a very similar process to what this particular guy right here is doing, and you can also replicate it and get super results for yourself right away. But beyond these people, there are also other people that have actually followed this particular process and they're making huge cash for themselves every single month. Now you can see this particular guy right here is making over $1,000 in monthly earnings from his own Faceless channel. Now looking right here on the second guy, you can see he's earning over $3.4 thousand every single month from his Faceless channel, and this other guy right here is actually generating over $39,000 every single month from his Faceless channel. And if this result you're actually seeing right here actually makes you want to get started right now, then you actually want to understand what YouTube automation is and how you can actually leverage on a simple tool, just one simple tool to change the game for yourself that will help you start earning over $1,000 every single month right here from the YouTube platform. And YouTube automation basically is where you're actually creating automated videos for the YouTube platform with which people get to watch and you make money for yourself. So basically you can also liken this to where you create series of YouTube videos people watch and you're making a lot of money for yourself from this particular space. Now in order for you to create a YouTube automation channel, you basically need a couple of things, which will actually be one, the story. Two, you need to have a voiceovers of these stories that you're going to be creating. Then three, you also need to have a video editor which is going to combine or turn this story into a video and also merge with the voiceover. And four, you need to understand YouTube SEO to be able to get all of your videos to be ranking right up on YouTube so that you can actually be able to get more views and you can actually start getting more earnings for yourself on this particular space. But then imagine if I can actually crunch up all of this simple task into one single tool that will do everything for you. It's going to save you a lot of time and make you much more money than any other thing will. Now this particular tool right here is InVideo, and not just InVideo, in case you've heard about InVideo before, this is InVideo AI. And looking right here on my screen, you can basically see it says here, create videos with text prompt, and it generates scripts, creates the scene, adds the voiceovers, tweaks the videos on your command, and all of this in one single tool on one go. And when you actually scroll down, you can see a couple of other features that InVideo actually has for you. But then I'm going to be focusing more on helping you guys to practicalize how this works and show you exactly what you need to do step by step in order to start getting these super results for yourself. Now, what you need to simply do right now is to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to be leaving a link for you guys in the description of this particular video. Click the first link in the description to sign up to an account on InVideo right now. And once you click on sign up, you can go ahead and create your own account. So once you're in here, you can actually proceed to insert your email. And once you have your email, you create your account. And once you're done, they're going to be sending you an email with a couple of codes which you're going to be able to use to log into the account. Now, this particular tool right here is not free, but then I can actually tell you that it's more affordable than even a slice of bread every morning. So coming over here to the pricing, you're going to basically see for the pricing right inside of here, you're going to be getting more of like a yearly payment. Firstly, you can get the free version here and you can try everything for free, having all of these features, or you can actually get started with $20 monthly and have even more feature and more access to a couple of other features they have on here. And you actually want to also see the max option, but then I would advise anybody starting out to just jump on the plus plan because this gives you access to a whole lot more than you have ever imagined. But then try the free plan first and then you can actually scale up to the next plan as you go. Okay, so what I'm going to simply do now is to log into my account. I already have an account because I would not sleep on this one. I don't sleep on opportunities that will actually fetch me income. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account right now, and once I'm logged inside of here, you can see there's a code sent to me already. I'm going to go over to my email and get out that code. Let's see. So this is the code right in here inside of my mail. I'm going to go back and I'm going to insert this code and then proceed to log in. Now, once you're already logged in on this particular tool right here, you are already thinking of, oh, what content am I going to be creating? Because right now it already brings you a space where you can actually put in the prompt, which the AI used to generate a video for you. Okay, now we're going to try out this, but one of the major things you actually need to look out for is where before now you have actually set up your own YouTube channel, and you would have also decided what type of faceless channel category or niche that you actually want to get started in or you want to focus on. Now, I've actually done a video where I shared with you guys a couple of different niches around Faceless channels that will actually blow up real quick if you want to really make money as a YouTube creator with a Faceless channel. And you can actually see that video right inside of here. But then if you're still thinking about it, then I would actually say you can actually just get started with documentary, right? Something as simple as that. That is actually one of those content on YouTube that actually gives a lot of value and gathers a lot of views and makes money as well. So you actually want to come over here on the prompt, and I can just simply say, okay, do me a video around the Egyptian mummies and their history till date. So you see what I just did here? Just put in a simple prompt, and I'm going to click on generate a video. Now it's going to take its own time to start analyzing, because first of all, it's going to really create a story, right? Put up a script for you around the story, then think of the voiceovers to generate, start creating series of scenes, and then put the video all together. So it might actually take a little bit of time to actually do the thinking and preparing, but the crazy thing here is the fact that it doesn't take much. In less than 3-4 minutes, everything is done and you are ready to actually get out the video of this particular space ASAP. So with all of the thinking right here, it's already asking me, this is exactly what the title is going to look like. But then who is the audience you're looking at? History enthusiasts, cultural explorers. Let's say we're looking at cultural explorers, and the look and feel, you want it to be minimality, zen, dramatic, or dark. Let me just say I want it to be dramatic. And the platform, we want to put on YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn. So if you actually have a Facebook account or you are using YouTube or LinkedIn, you can easily use this particular channel right inside of here and generate that content for yourself, okay? So I'm going to say YouTube right now, click on continue. And it says here, you are number 20 in the queue. So let's just hold on a little for this particular video to be fully, done, and we are good. So as you all can see right now, it's already ideating, planning the script, generating the script. So you can actually see that it's just 5 minutes right now, and this particular video has fully been created. But then we're going to simply play it and see if it actually sits well with what we're expecting it to do, okay? So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on.
Wondered how the ancient Egyptians managed to preserve bodies thousands of years ago, creating what we now refer to as mummies. It's a fascinating journey, and today we dive into the chronicles of history to unravel the mysteries of Egyptian mummies. The story begins during the Old Kingdom of Egypt, around 4,500.
To be very honest, I'm so shocked because of how much of work I have been doing to get this same thing done. It takes me over 2-3 weeks to get one video out for my Faceless channel, but with AI, I'm able to just do this in less than 10 minutes. You don't know how excited I am right now, because you see, this is all I've been waiting for. This is all I've been looking for right now. And this is actually going to be a game changer in this very space. I told you guys before, it is much more easier to make money now than ever. And this is exactly the same thing that is currently happening, because with AI, InVideo is giving us virtually everything that we need for a video to be out there. So what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Now with this particular video right now, I can actually go ahead, and with this box, as you can see, I can actually tell or give a command to add subtitle to the whole video. So let's do it. Add subtitle to the whole video. And I can actually just click on generate, and on clicking on generate, it's going to add subtitle to all of the video that we have inside of here, as you can see right now. So immediately you start playing the video again after it has actually added the subtitle. You can see the subtitle on the screen of the video. You can see this right now, right? Now, another thing you can actually do right here is actually click on this particular edit button, and on clicking on this edit button, it brings up this particular page where you can actually edit media or even edit your script, meaning that when the video is actually done, you can still make a couple of changes right on the spot. So this is exactly where you can actually go from scene to scene. You can see this is scene 1, and this is the script underneath. You can actually make changes here, and it actually affects the main video scene itself. Or you actually click on the scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and you can actually see that you can even add your own media, whether it's an image or you're adding a video, which will be uploaded inside of that particular scene itself. Or you can also go ahead and actually edit the script. You can see the script here, and all of the scripts by scene is being shown to you, and all you can simply do is to make changes and make edits on the script you actually are using, or as you can see here, and you can proceed to apply changes and on applying changes, take a couple of minutes, and those changes are actually being effected, and you're good to go. I can actually proceed right now to try out another video, and you're also going to be seeing how this is going to still create a simple video for us. Now, if I are you, the next step for me is to proceed right now to smash on the export button, right, and export this particular video. But then, if you actually want more, right, or maybe there are a couple of things and changes you actually need on the video, you want to make it longer and all of those stuff, you can easily add in a couple of more prompts. So you can basically see a couple of prompts that has actually been there as templates for you to use. Delete the second scene, make the scene half as long, it's too wordy, change current stock to a video drone shoot of a forest. You know, you can actually make several changes by yourself right inside of here. You can actually say make the video longer, you know, get it to 8 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, long, you know, put in a couple of more words so that people are more interested and they're more engaged all through the video. You know, all of those areas where you actually feel like you need to actually get more people engaged in that particular content of yours, you can actually leverage on this and you use it to actually scale, you know, that particular Faceless channel anyhow you want it. And once you're actually done with that, I'm going to proceed right now to click on export, and I'm going to click on export video. So for clicking on exporting video, you can see here, set video export resolution 1080p is very okay and fine. It says here stock watermark or no watermarks. I want no watermarks, and this is really why you actually need to jump on a plan so that you don't have any watermarks on all of your content. And here it also says select in video AI branding, none. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue right now. And once I click on continue, it's going to take a little while to process and to start exporting this content for me. Okay, so looking here on the screen, you can basically see it's currently rendering 17%, and everything is just happening very fast. And this is exactly how you can actually sit right there from the comfort of your home, create a YouTube automation channel where you can even create content every single day. You can actually create content every single day using AI, and you're loading it up on this particular channel, and you start making money for yourself right from YouTube or Facebook or whichever channel that, you know, would actually earn you cash. Okay, so this particular video right now is done rendering. You can see almost there, finishing 100%, and this is the video. Now, the beautiful thing here is the fact that I already have a video in a couple of minutes. You can see that just in this particular YouTube video, we've created a content for our Faceless channel, and this actually is going to make you a lot of money in this very space. And all you simply need to do right now, and after it's done rendering, is to go ahead and download this particular video and push it up there on YouTube, do your SEO, and you get it all out there fully published. So this is basically how this works, and I actually urge you guys right now to actually start taking action immediately. Do not wait 1 second in order to actually get started with this. Go ahead, click the link in the description like I said earlier, jump on InVideo AI right now and get started with this particular method. Now I actually have a WhatsApp community where I actually share a couple of ideas, and we have series of discussion. And in a situation like this where you might actually be needing a couple of assistance here and there, you might want to also use the link I have in the description to jump on my WhatsApp community. And once you can actually jump on this particular community, you will be able to get access to myself and a couple of others who actually walk you through this process as much as we can. So go ahead right now and join the community as well as you sign up also, so that you can actually get started with it and kickstart an extra income stream for yourself right here in this particular space. So this is it for the particular video today, guys. If you're here, please do well to go ahead and share this particular video and drop me your comments if you like this video. I'm going to reply to every one of your comments, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos, and see you in my next video. Peace.